I'm Simon. I'm here today to share with you my choice on KW. And since I got my Alphard, I wanted to improve the drivability of the car. And I sat in many Alphards before, and it always felt a bit floaty, and there was always body roll. So I wanted to change all that, and that is why I selected KW. The common problem at Alphards is that when you have a body kit on an Alphard, it tends to scrape the underside of the body kit. So I wanted to solve that problem as well, and that's why I chose KW leveling, because you can actually get a better ride, more comfortable ride without actually having to lower the car. First of all, it's definitely the warranty by KW. So they actually give out an unlimited 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. And I think this speaks a lot for the confidence shown in this company's product by the company itself. And the good thing is, if there are any defects, they actually give you a one-for-one exchange of new parts for the defective ones. Yeah. So I think that's one of the main reasons I picked KW as well. And then second thing also, when I did some research on the company, I realized that they actually subject their suspensions to thorough testing. And the way they developed it was they used a 7-rig simulator to test the suspensions. So this equipment that they use is the same as what the F1 teams use to test their suspensions as well. So when I saw this investment and confidence that this company has in their product, I mean, it was a no-brainer for me. I was blown away, basically. I think it surpassed all my expectations, and I was very happy with the car. It can corner with confidence, and it was very sure-footed. And when I sat on the passenger side, it was still very comfortable. Less body roll for sure, and all the little bumps and knacks on the road felt insulated. It was like you were like being cocooned in the car, basically. I was happy the ride height because I needed clearance because of my body kit. I didn't want the body kit to scrape the underside of I want the body kit to scrape the road. So basically, with the uncompromised ride height, that solved my problem.